Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In this chapter, we will learn how to perform simple IOLTA management within an Excel workbook. An IOLTA, or Interest on Lawyer's Trust Account, is used to hold client funds separately from the funds of a law firm or individual lawyer. An IOLTA account is an interest-bearing checking account. The interest earned from all IOLTA accounts within a state is pooled together to help low-income individuals afford legal aid. An IOLTA account is used in three main situations. First being when a lawyer receives funds from a client to perform legal services. Second being when a lawyer receives funds from a settlement that must be paid to a client. Third being when a lawyer receives funds or is otherwise holding property for clients that the lawyer has not yet earned or must return at a later date. A lawyer cannot hold their funds and the client's funds in the same account, so IOLTA accounts are used to separate these funds and hold smaller amounts of money from clients for a short span of time. An important note to make here is that if a lawyer intends to hold a large sum of money for a client, or intends to hold the funds for an extended period of time, the lawyer should not place those funds into an IOLTA account, but should rather place the funds into an account to be held in trust for that particular client. In this chapter, we will learn how to perform basic financial tracking of an IOLTA account within a single Excel workbook. Note that while we will learn how to perform the tracking of these funds using checkbook register-style worksheets within a workbook, doing this does not typically satisfy all of the IOLTA reporting requirements that are needed by the individual states. You will still need to consult your own state's bar association or council to ensure that you are tracking and reporting the IOLTA account funds in accordance with their guidelines. It is important to note that each state has its own rule of professional conduct regarding the handling of client trust funds. You should consult your own state's bar association or council to ensure that your setup is in compliance with the rules for your state. Failure to comply could result in penalties.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.